Hello guys, so in this video I will show you guys how to take a trade and how to follow signal. So when it comes to taking trade, you don't have any business to do with Xness. What you need is your MetaTrader 5. So click on your MetaTrader 5. When you enter your MetaTrader 5, you should see the pair you want to trade here. This is GBP USD. If you don't have the pair you want to trade here, you can easily add it. You already know how to add a currency here. I taught that in the previous video, so you can easily add any pair you want to trade here. So when you add a pair, go to trade. When you click on trade, you should see your account balance here. This is $100. It is a demo account that I told you guys will be trading together. This is a $100 demo account. So when you are seeing this here, that means your account you can now trade. So you already know how to link your Xness to MetaTrader 5 to show this balance. So I taught that in the previous video. So when you see this, you can now go back to quotes. When you go back to quotes, you now select the pair you want to trade. This is GBP USD. When you click on the pair, you will see something like this. So to take a trade, you need to make order. That is, you want to make order to buy or you want to make order to sell. So to place the order, you just click on new order. You can see new order. When you click on this new order, it will take you to a page where you can set make your order. So when you click on it, it will take you here. So here is the page where you take your order. So you can see we have different type of order. So this is market execution. This is one of the type of the orders that we have. So market execution means that you are buying at the current price. That means you want to buy now at the price of the currency. Now you want to buy. So here you can see the current price of the market of this GBP USD is 1.336 something. So this is the current price that you want to buy or sell. That is market execution. You just have to input your SL, which is stop loss, or take profit, which is TP. You input your stop loss and take profit here, then you execute. You either buy or you either sell. You can see that down here. You can see buy and sell. So that is for market execution. It is that simple. Market execution, you want to buy at the current market price. We call it CMP, current market price. So this is the price. Then you input your stop loss and take profit. That is for market execution. That is, you want to buy now. It is the easiest one to understand. So you click on buy or you sell. So click on market execution. You should see other types of order that we have. You can see we have buy limit and sell limit. Here, this is another type of order that we have. It is called limit order. We have buy limit and sell limit. This means that when you set a buy limit, it means you are buying at a lower price than the current market price. That is, you are buying cheaper. And when you set a sell limit, it means you are selling at a higher price. That is, you are selling expensive. So let's first check buy limit. When you click on buy limit, so you can see there's additional stuff here, price, which means you can enter the price you want to enter the market. That is the price you want to buy. This is buy limit order. When you set the buy, you can see the current market price here. So you enter your price, the price you wish to buy, and it should be lower than the current market price. When you enter this price, you can see 1.3355. Then you set your stop loss. My stop loss, it should be lower than the entry price. That is, it should be lower than the price that we want to buy. So let me set stop loss as 1.33. Then TP, let me set my take profit. It should be higher than the entry. So let me set it as let's say 1.3366. You can see it is higher. So you can now place your order by clicking place. Now you can see done. Now we have placed the order. You see placed there. That means you have successfully placed your order when you do this. So now let's go back to quotes, then click on GBP, go back to new order. So here, let's change it to buy limit. So this is buy limit again. So when you input a price that is higher than the current market price, that is higher than that 1.3366, let's say 1.348, you can see this is higher, then you cannot be able to place a trade. You can see the place is not showing. You cannot place a trade here because you are setting a buy limit and the price you are entering is higher than the current market price. You can see here. So when you change it to 1.336, you can see you can now place the trade because now it is lower than the current market price. You can see the current market price is 1.3367 and your price is lower. So now see it has been you cannot place this trade because it's 1.337. So that is how buy limit works. But if you change the buy limit to stop limit, click on the buy limit, then select sell limit. Now you can place the trade because now and your entry is now higher than the current market price, that is, you want to sell at a higher price. This is what limit order is. So another type of order that we have is called stop order. Stop order is just like opposite of limit order. That is, we have buy stop and we have sell stop. So buy stop, it means that you want to buy at a higher price than the current market price. That is, you want to buy expensive. And sell stop means you want to sell at a lower price. That is, you want to sell it cheap. For buy stop order, the price should be higher. You can see the price is higher than the current market price. That is why you can be able to place this trade. You can see that the place is showing. You can place this trade here because it is valid. This is higher. The price is higher. So when you click on buy stop and you select buy stop order, you must make sure that the price you want to put should be higher. That is when you can be able to place that trade. Let's click on buy stop. Let's select buy stop here. So let me set a price, a higher price. Let me set 1.338. Now stop loss. Let me set stop loss as 1.3367. Then take profits. Take profit should be higher than the price. So 1.3. Let me set it as 1.34. So now when you set this, it is valid. Then you can place the trade. As you place it, done. That means you have successfully placed the trade. So now let's go back to our other type of execution type of order. So this is buy stop. Let me show you more examples. So 1 point, let's say we want to set another price, it should be higher. So let's say you even set a lower price than the current market price. So you can see if you set a lower price, you cannot place the trade. You can see you cannot be able to place it. So because it is a buy stop order, so if it is set stop, it will go. So another type of order that we have, which is the last one, is this stop limit order, which is we have buy stop limit and we have sell stop limit. But you won't be, I don't think you will need this one, but for my past 3 years of trading, I've never used this order before. So just not to get things complicated, I think that is all the type of order you need. So let's not go there. So we have market execution, we have buy limit, sell limit, we have buy stop and sell stop. You can go back to this video to understand it very well. I can see it is fast. I don't want to waste too much time. So now we need to practice. Then yes, this number, let's talk on this magical number. You can see you can change it to any number you like. It is called the lot size. The minimum is 0.01 up to any number you like. This is I call it magic number because this is a very, you have to be careful of this number here. It is called the lot size. It depends on the size of your account, so you can use any number from 0.01 to any number. You can say 2.1, 2 point anything. So I will explain what lot size means and what pip means in another video. So for a $100 account that we want to be trading, I think the more a very nice lot size we should use should be like 0.05. I think 0.05 should be okay. So it depends on the account size. Make sure you are very careful with this. So you should not be trading on yourself if you don't understand lot size, because this is very critical. It's a very important part of trading. So let me use, in fact, for my $100 account, which is the demo we want to trade, let's use 0.1. So the higher the number is just like the higher the risk. So 0.1 is a very good one to use for $100 demo. So we can see how it goes from here. So let's go back. So now let's try and place a trade. When you come to chart here, you will see all the order you have on the chart. You can see all those lines. When you click on it, it will highlight them for you. We have 2 order placed. So when you click on one, it will show you the details. Here, this is the details of the buy limit order. So this is the buy stop order. You can see it is showing here. That blue line is where you want to enter. We are hoping that when price gets to that blue line, it will take us in. All these are details of the trade. When it takes us in, when markets get to that blue line, the markets we will be live on the trade. So when it come up, when it keep on going up to that green line, which is the TP, that means our take profit. Then we will close the trade at profit and we'll make $2. You can see everything is showing there. But when markets get to our entry at that blue line and start coming down, and it hit plus, that means we will be closing at loss. So you can easily delete the order here. You can see this delete. When you click on it, you can easily cancel the order by clicking delete. When you click delete, then the order is gone. You are no more, that order is gone. You are only left with one order here. So when you click on this order, it will highlight the details of this order to you. So you can see, you can also delete this order. But another way to delete it is when you come to trade, you long press on this order, then you can see delete order. When you click on delete order, you can see delete, then that's all. That is how to delete order. It is that simple. So now let's try and place a trade. Come to codes. Let's see, now let's look for a trade to take. New order. So now let's go to the channel. I already dropped a signal here. So see, this is how signal will look like. It will contain these three things. It will contain your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit. Take note of that entry. This is 1.3372, and I already show it that it is sell limit. So this is the chart to that signal. So this is 1.3372. Our entry is 1.3372. Now let's go back to place this trade. I dropped this signal this morning, so let's go back to our MT5 to place the trade. So it is a sell limit. Click sell limit, then entry price is what, 1.3372. so this is our entry price. So now let's input our stop loss. So let's minimize and check the signal. No, our stop loss is 1.3390. 1.3390. So our TP, let's check our TP is 1.3313. You input 1.3313. So this is all. So lastly, make sure you take note of your lot size you are using. Is 0.1. This is the lot size. Make sure you check it and confirm before you place the trade. It is very important. So now everything is correct. Let's place this trade. You can see market has already, it is near our entry. So you can see 1.337. Our entry is 1.3372, and it is 1.3371 already. So we should enter this trade very soon. So now we have placed the trade. Our trade has been placed successfully. Now come back to chart. You will see the details here. You can see our entry, that is the sell limit. When you click on that line, it will highlight it. This is the sell limit that says when price get there, we enter this trade, and that is our stop loss. When markets enter our entry and keep on going up to hit our stop loss, which is the yellow line, that means we will be closing in loss, and we'll be losing how much? That is 18 USD. So we will lose 18 USD. But if markets enter that entry and comes down to that TP, that we will make money. We will make 59 USD, $59. That's trading. You have to make sure that the amount we are risking is lower than the one we will make. So this is how trading works. When you make sure that you are winning big, that's all. I really hope this order will get activated before the end of this video, so that you can see how it will show, it will reflect on our trade, how the profit is coming, and how the thing is moving. So you can see it has almost get to our entry. This is another thing you must do as a trader. You must make sure you are very disciplined. The profitable trader is a very disciplined trader. So because it is now close to our entry, that doesn't mean you should use market execution, that is, you want to enter now, because you cannot wait or market start dropping from here, then you want to rush in to sell. If market move from here, you can see it has not take us in. If it move from that point and just coming down to our take profit, we will not make any money, but we are fine with it because we will have another opportunity another time. So you have to be very disciplined as a trader. Make sure you stick to the signal. Make sure you stick to your rules. Don't follow. You can see it is dropping already, so don't just jump in because it is now dropping. You will now use market execution. You have to stick to it. You must be very disciplined. Trading is a very disciplined occupation. You have to be very disciplined for you to make it here. If you are not disciplined, you will suffer. That's the fact. So I don't think this trade will get activated very soon, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I will drop the result of this trade in the signal. I think that is all we need to know. So Another thing here is maybe let's say if you long press this order, then you can see modify order here. Here you can modify your order. Let's click on it. So we click on modify order. Here you can change anything about the order, maybe your entry price, the price you want to enter, or you want to change the stop loss, or you want to change the take profit. This is what you do it. Then after that, you just click on modify. You can change your profit on anything. Then you click on modify, then it will modify, but you don't need it. You won't even need it. You can simply delete the order, then create another new order. So I think that's all you need. Thanks for watching. And for those that will be wondering how I know that GBP want to sell from there, it is called a technical analysis. I've done my analysis before dropping the signal. So to learn technical analysis, I can also teach that, but it will take a very long time. But see you guys later. Bye.